Hi, I'm James Loras with ESCO. Here at ESCO, we provide the proper tools to keep your equipment moving. Thanks for joining me today for our new ESCO tool review. Let's talk jack stands. All 3-ton jack stands have wide round base legs in a tripod form that help you distribute the weight evenly. They have solid welded braces in between two reinforced legs, giving you added strength. The rubber pads are removable and replaceable and are great for your luxury cars. Stands are available with 8 or 10 adjustment points, depending on the style. ESCO 3-ton jack stands come in 3 sizes with 2 saddle types. All stand styles are sold individually or as pairs. Thank you for joining me for this ESCO product review. For more info on ESCO jack stands or any other products, visit us on the web at www.esco.net. Till next time.